Hey guys, it's me, Gunpla, here with a review of this here custom high grade Hugo from the second season of IBO. Now, there's a reason why I'm not reviewing this kit unpainted, and that's because I mainly got this kit so I could paint it up right away instead of just doing like an out-of-box review. But instead, I'm just going to be reviewing this custom version, and pretty much all my other kits that I will be reviewing, they'll be customized in some way. But yeah, let's get started. Just want to show you what I did here. Basically, all I did is, it's just a custom paint scheme. I went with, to me, a medium blue, some Rust-Oleum oregano spray paint, which gives it sort of this olive green color. And then I hand painted the Tamiya blue, hand painted the red shoulder that's using a mixture of Tamiya black and flat red. I spray painted the whole inner frame, including the little claw parts on the shot anchor claws. I even painted the head, the inside of the head where the eye is. I'll just pop that off. Painted that pink. Painted white around the face, as well as the blade armor right there. Also painted right here that little thruster vent thing on the crotch, and this stripe down the back skirt, and on the sides of the little parts of the feet. That's pretty much all I did for painting. The articulation on this kit is, for the most part, it's okay. It's not great like other IBO kits, mainly i.e. the Gundam frames and some of the grunt suits that have a full inner frame. But I will quickly go over the articulation on this kit, starting with the head. Can look all the way down there, not so much up. Can move around like that. Shoulders get in the way, the head gets in the way of the shoulders, but you can do it like that and get the arm up like that. Single joint in the elbow. Wrists, the chest has a nice ab crunch, and you can spin it all the way around 360, which is nice. This front skirt piece moves like that. Legs move out like that much, and this is how because it's using the Hexa frame, the legs are sort of bent like that. Still have this nice swivel in the ankle like most IBO kits. Front part of this toe claw can go like that, and if I can get it out. Well, this piece right here is supposed to come out, and it's being a little bit stuck. Oh yeah, and foot can move back and forth. But you can't spin it around due to the way that it's built. Now, for accessories for this kit, and the ones that I'm sticking with this custom, is the machine gun that you see in hand, and you also get these two scimitars, which I painted in the same color as the inner frame. Now, with the main kit, you do get a wire for the shot anchor claws, but I just scrapped that because I'm not planning on using those at all. Yeah, and it has a little action base adapter that you plug into there, but I have that connected to an action, glued to an action base right now. But that's pretty much it for this guy. Like I said, articulation's, it's good. It's not all, but it's not like super amazing. Now, for the sort of inspiration I got for this paint scheme, minus the white trim, is basically it's using like it's sort of a darker tone of the Zaku 1 colors of that green and blue. And I have the Converge Zaku 1 trying to show you. And then the red shoulder, I just took inspiration from the red shoulder custom scope dot from the Votom series. And the white trim I just added on just for effect. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. This is Gunpla signing out.